How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm also good. Thank you for asking me. What is your name?
My name is Radha Gupta.
And how do you spell your name, Adya?
A. A. D. H. Y. A. Radha. My name is Radha.
Very good. So today Mama will ask you some quiz question actually. Will you answer them for me?
Yes.
Okay, let's start. So your first question is, did you see the rainbow?
Yes.
And do you know how many colors are in the rainbow?
There's 7 colors in the rainbow.
Okay, and do you know the sequence of the color?
Yes.
Tell me.
Red and orange and yellow and green, blue and indigo and violet.
Nice. Okay, next is, please tell me name of few seasons.
Spring, rainy, summers and winter.
Very nice. Okay, now tell me how many days in a week
7 days.
and what are they?
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
You're so fast. Very good. Your next question is, can you tell me the month of the year?
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
That's so cool. You're so fast. Okay, now tell me how many letters are in the English alphabet?
26.
Nice. And which are the vowels in the English alphabet series?
A, E, I, O and U.
Very good. Okay, now move on and let's talk about some interesting animal. Okay?
Yay!
Okay. So do you know which animal is known as the sheep of the desert?
Camel.
Wow. And which is the largest animal in the world?
Blue whale.
Excellent. And which is the tallest animal on the earth?
Giraffe.
Very good. And do you know which country is home to the kangaroo?
Australia.
Nice. Okay, and which is the smallest bird in the world?
Hummingbird.
Very good. And what type of bird lays the largest egg?
Ostrich.
Yeah, that's so cool. Okay, tell me which animal is known as the king of the jungle?
Lion. And I'm so scared of lion.
Yeah, because it's a dangerous animal.
Yeah.
Okay, now Mama will ask you some question about modes of transport. Will you answer them for me?
Yeah.
Tell me, what is car? Which mode of transport?
Road transport.
What about aeroplane?
Air transport.
And what is ship? What mode of transport?
Water transport.
Very good. Now tell me, who drives a car?
Driver.
And who sails a ship?
Captain.
And who fly an aeroplane?
Pilot.
Superb. Do you know about your body parts and which body part is used for what?
Yes, I know that.
Okay, now tell me, how many sense organ in our body?
5 sense organs.
Okay, and what are they?
Nose, tongue, skin, and ears, eyes.
Very good. And do you know which body part help us to see the object?
I see with my eyes.
And which body part help us to smell the things?
I smell with my nose.
Yeah, very good. And due to which body part we can hear the sound?
I listen with my ears.
Well done. And which body part help us to run and walk?
I walk with my leg.
Fantastic. And due to which body part we can taste the yummy food?
I taste with my tongue.
Fabulous. And because of which body part do you hold the things?
I hold with my hand.
Nice. And because of which body part you speak and eat?
I speak with my mouth.
Yeah, and told us so many important things.
Yes.
Okay, that was enough for today. Thank you very much for giving all the information.
You're welcome. Hope you like my video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Bye bye.